Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a task into a subtask on Todoist. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Todoist. Log into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all your projects and tasks where you can start organizing your workflow more efficiently. Once you're logged in, wait a moment while the page loads and you'll be directed to Todoist's main dashboard. This is where all your projects and tasks are displayed, making it easy to manage everything in one central location. Now, from your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see several Todoist tabs and options. Look for the section labeled My Projects. This area displays all your current projects and task categories, helping you keep everything organized and accessible. Within the My Projects section, you'll see all your task lists displayed. Go ahead and click on any project from the list to open it. This will reveal all the tasks associated with that particular project, allowing you to view and manage them individually. Next, browse through your task list and locate the specific task you want to add a subtask to. Once you've found it, click directly on that task. This action will open up a new window or panel that shows the full details of the selected task, including any existing subtasks, due dates, and other relevant information. In this detailed task window, you'll notice an Add Subtask button displayed prominently. This feature allows you to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, which is incredibly useful for complex projects or multi-step processes. Click on the Add Subtask button to proceed. After clicking, a small task creation window will appear specifically for your new subtask. This window functions just like creating a regular task, but it will be nested under your main task, creating a clear hierarchy in your project structure. Now, simply fill in the details for your subtask. Enter a clear descriptive title that explains what needs to be done. You can also add additional information like due dates, priority levels, or labels if needed. These details help you stay organized and ensure nothing gets overlooked. Once you've entered all the necessary information for your subtask, click the Add Task button at the bottom of the subtask window. This will save your subtask and nest it directly under the parent task you selected earlier, creating a structured, organized task hierarchy. And that's it, you've successfully created a subtask in Todoist, making your projects more organized and your workflow more manageable. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.